various schools, colleges, universities, and mathematical organizations worldwide. Today, I want to express some of important facts about pi. Pi is an irrational number. The exact value of pi can never be calculated even though the ratio remains constant. In 1873, William Shanks calculated the first 527 digits of pi, but made mistake in 528 digits. This inaccuracy went unnoticed for 71 years. The Babylonians know about pi 4000 years ago and calculated it as 3.125. The relationship between the height of the pyramids and the perimeter of their base is guided by pi, because the relation is same as that between a circle's radius and circumference. The number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 does not appear in the first many digits of pi. Archimedes first started calculation with construction of octagon inside the circle, another outside. He increased the polygon of sides 96 and it seemed like a circle. With this experiment, he got two values 3 volt 10 by 70 and 3 volt 10 by 71, which is approximate value of pi. In the modern scientific age, supercomputers can find the value of pi and solve mathematical problems. So, let us appreciate and recognize the importance of the constant pi in mathematical calculations involving circles, spheres, and other geometric shapes. To conclude, let's remember pi as more than just a number. It is a symbol of the endless potential and beauty found within the world of mathematics. My thanks to Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, and Maths Department. Thank you.